I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
What's up, guys? It's K-Side with the K&R Destination.
Ryan's here too.
Ryan's videotaping.
He won't tell
behind the
anybody
scenes.
that, but
Behind the scenes.
she's here. Awkward silence.
It's like, okay. Today,
What are we doing today?
we're doing a product review.
What do we
Super
got?
excited about this. My son brought and bought us whiskey barrel aged coffee from the Muddy Joe's Coffee Company, but he got us whole bean. Well, can't really do anything with whole bean.
And he told me that Kyle asked for that. So I'm like,
I think it's because this only comes in whole bean.
I don't think that's what it
So,
said.
anyways, that became an opportunity to Amazon.
Yeah, I think that's the real key, is that gave Kyle an opportunity. More like deliberate opportunity.
So today we're doing the Kaffe Coffee Grinder. Highly recommended by the users of Amazon.
Because we get coffee beans all the time.
Moving on.
We're always thinking, how do we get rid of these pesky beans?
We buy a coffee grinder.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's so
Yeah.
fancy.
Perfect opportunity for Kyle to get on Amazon.
Little brush. Oh, and instructions. Well, we know how much I use those.
I'll be looking for them in a couple minutes.
So, we plug this in and we go check this stuff out. First, you want to twisty tighty thing.
And tie the cord in a knot. Oh wait, that wasn't in the instructions?
What is going on here?
Should have read the instructions. It's user error.
All the safety equipment on here.
Well, we wouldn't want you to plug yourself in.
Ooh.
Ooh. Do that face again.
So we got the Muddy Joe's Coffee Company Whiskey Barrel Aged Coffee. As it looks so glorious. Ooh. Now. Ooh, look. You can wear it like a muscle band. Yeah.
Wow.
Ooh, man. Pungent. That came up and smacked me in the face. Ooh. Here. Smell, YouTube family. Mmm.
Num nums.
Smell it?
Mmm. No instructions needed for K&R Destinations while we spill the beans all over the
Oh,
floor.
darn, I spilled the beans.
Spilled the beans.
Insert pun here.
Oh, those are rabbit droppings.
It does look like, ooh, rabbit turds. Okay, get the instructions, because I don't know how much to put in there.
I thought you didn't read instructions.
Remove. Make sure this coffee grinder is unplugged, fill up. It doesn't say how much to put in there.
I would stop there. I would stop there. Oh, Lord, have mercy on my soul. I mean, you know, You break it, there's no coffee tomorrow. Ryan will get Dunkin'.
Ooh.
Okay, here we go.
Ooh.
Yep, this is my life, everyone.
I totally had Metallica in my head right then. What do you think?
Not sure you were supposed to. What are you doing? You did not know it was going to be that simple, did you?
Well, I mean common
it is
sense,
all
it was
over.
like a cut. I mean, it is a little bit of a mess, but not as bad. It looks pretty ground up, yeah. Not really sure how long you're supposed to do the grounding, but trying a different coffee.
Apparently, he thinks this is a new video. What in the world? You didn't even measure it to see how much was in there.
That's about how much-ish what we put in there before.
So you may or may not see this video because we may or may not have a heart attack. I think that's a little fuller, but we'll see. So, stay tuned to see the first cup of coffee in the morning.
Deuces. All right, there she goes. Brewing away. Got the big monster coffee mug in there. My Ninja sit on travel, mainly because that bad boy can hold about 30 ounces. So we'll see. It smells really good. I can slightly smell the whiskey. But it smells really rich. I actually can't even wait. Well, stick around. We'll find out for sure. Okay. Muddy Joe's Coffee Company. This is their whiskey brew. It's not horrible. You do taste a little bit of the whiskey barrel flavor. It's got a little bit of a bite to it, not too bad. It's a bit nutty. Man, there's another flavor in there, man. I'm not picking up. I can't put my tongue on it. But really, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not Death Wish by any means, but it's really not bad. Maybe we should let the other half try some. She said no. Mainly because the last time I gave her a whiskey coffee, she was not a fan. Not at all. So, anyways, it's really not horrible. So, I would definitely, I guess K-Side, give you a thumbs up on your whiskey barrel coffee. So, we appreciate it. And, so this was a coffee that we found on the Roasters Market. My son got for me because he knows I'm a big whiskey fan. So we appreciate you guys watching and hope you enjoyed. Deuces.